This trailer wiring harness install guide is for a Subaru Forester. The part installed in this video is a Curt trailer wiring harness number 55370. 4 flat connectors are needed to connect a vehicle's operating lights to the operating lights of most non-braked trailers.
We need to get into the cargo area here so that we can find the rear harness running along the passenger side here. First thing we're going to do is remove some of the flooring. Okay, we'll go ahead and set this aside. Yeah, we still got some more flooring to remove right here, so this passenger side comes out real nice and easy. And we're gonna expose the rear harness here, where we're gonna find the OEM connector, and we're gonna find it hidden right behind this harness here. Just gonna reach under and we're gonna pull it out. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and grab the quick connect. It's the matching end of this OEM harness. Clicks right in. You'll see that we have a power wire here that powers the converter box. So we're going to go ahead and install the included fuse into the fuse holder. Put the cap over it. Here we're going to go ahead and put some double-sided tape on the back here. This is also included in the wiring packaging. We're just going to stick it to the body right here. You can see it's nice and sturdy, it's not going to go anywhere. Now that the converter is mounted to the body, we're going to go ahead and take the 4 flat trailer and harness, and we're going to tuck it, fold it up and tuck it next to the tire here, spare tire. Now we're going to put the flooring back in. It just seats in there real nice. Make sure our clips are in place. And now when we want to use the 4 flat to tow a trailer, I'm going to just lift this up, gain access back to the spare tire. We're going to pull our 4 flat harness out. And then we're going to keep the 4 flat harness away from the hinge here so it doesn't get smashed when we shut the door. It's actually going to shut on the door seal here. We'll go ahead and show you that. Now we're ready to tow your trailer.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, or to schedule an installation by a U-Haul hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.